guys, if you want to see how I made this dress in less than 24 hours, keep watching.
So the first step is to actually make your pattern. So here I have made my pattern. It's a princess line. This is the mid front and this is the side and this is a back, and I've also added a dart. I'm just cutting the pattern out. I'm just stitching them. So this is how the front looks like, and the princess line makes it even more beautiful. I just love princess line. It always adds an elegance and a kind of designer touch to any pieces. So I'm just stitching the dart on the back. I'm now attaching the back and the front pieces together. Now that I'm done stitching the top part, I was just figuring out what I was going to do with the skirt and how much of flare I'm planning to add. This was such a difficult decision to make because I really thought I'd keep some extra fabric to make something else in the future. But now that I really wanted the gown to have more flare, I just decided to use whatever I have. Just to show you what I'm doing here, this is the slit. So it's gonna be a very concealed slit. I'm not going for an over the top slit. Now I'm connecting the skirt panels together. I'm now finishing the edges of the slit so that there's no seam or anything dirty which will be seen. I'm now attaching the top and the bottom pieces together. I'm now finishing the neck area, and obviously this is not the finishing I would opt normally, but since I'm on a time crunch, this is definitely the best option I have. I'm also adding a top stitch here. Now that I'm done stitching this area, I'm just gonna fold it over and stitch like a quarter of an inch to just give a better finishing. I'm just changing the presser foot so that I can add the invisible zipper onto the dress. I'm just gonna fold over and hem these edges right now. Now that I was done with the dress, I found it really simple. I just thought the velvet itself would have been enough, but then I decided to add a few pearls on the slit and also on the top area. And also I did add a strap, which was actually a very old strap which I had. I just repurposed it and it really looked good on this dress. And I'm really happy with how the results turned out, and I really like how this dress looks right now. If you like the dress, please subscribe, like and comment, and thank you for watching.